Demi's the oldest. Then
Bubble.
I think it's Bubble, then Squeak, then Quincy, then Blue. Am I right?
Yep.
Too hot for a normal video. So today we unpacked and repacked one of Heather's 72-hour bags.
The big bag.
The big bag. The benefit of doing that yearly, each year you require less tools to do more work. So
You can also check your food supply. Make sure it's not expired or full of bugs or something.
but the more you have, the more you need.
Well, also, after working for a year at bushcraft and doing different things, you learn what you can get away with, what you need, what you don't need.
Yep.
And what's absolutely a necessity.
Take it out and use it once in a while.
Yep.
They're great to have, but you need to get yourself acquainted.
Yep.
It's like every tool.
Yep.
The tool that you use and are most comfortable with, those are the ones you put in your bags. Use the stuff that you don't like as much and break it and get rid of it. But just some thoughts.
Yep. And then you learn too what you need to swap out for something different. What you would benefit more from as opposed to what's in your pack now. It's been a year since I had my pack out and opened up, so I swapped out a few things. Gonna add a couple more things. See you in a bit.
Take it, Squeak. Squeak. Good morning. Half asleep still. Haven't had my coffee. Yet. Always seems to take the longest, the first pot.
We're not doing bushcraft today.
Welcome to the rain. Say hi to the beaver. Rawr!